hair guy. Woo-hoo. It's because I didn't permit. All right. There you go. Look at those highlights. Yeah. I'm so excited. I got my highlights. I'm blonde again. I love my hair guy for my Hair Plus. Hey, now I'm going to show you full volume mousse. It's called More Inside, okay, by Davines. It's the one purple flower. Get some marshmallows going. Shaving cream. Pat, 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 pat. I want all of it now. Grab this whole thing. And I want it in here now. And I want it under here. Pat all on the outside and then get it all on the inside. I had like a 3/4 of highlights. Jessica did them for my salon. 𝐃𝐨𝐧'𝐭. She's awesome. She gave me beautiful blonde, chunky highlights. I wanted chunky. I wanted 2 slices and a weave, my favorite pattern. And I used 30/40 volume in my lightener because my hair is thick. My cuticle of my hair is so thick. Yeah, I love that. And then I'm using this too. I didn't show you, sorry. Oil, a little more. Because now I got blonde. Gotta take care of that blonde. And I want it on the outside. Now I'm gonna flip it upside down. Just watch. Hold up. Yeah. Damn sponge. Okay, damn sponge. Get the brush I want. Smaller. Medium. I'm gonna use the medium. Alright. What size? People ask me what size it is. I think it's right there. Yeah. That's the only thing I see on here anyway, so I'll have to take a big chunk. Big chunk. Okay, grab the whole thing. Blow darts. Big bang. love the texture that highlights gives me. It makes it so much fuller and so much thicker. Yeah, that piece. I'm moving to that. Yeah. Love it. Playful. I love playful hair. I don't like perfect hair. Playful hair. Not perfection. And I'll do this side and then we're done. And I think this fun. Oh my gosh, I love it. Woohoo! Yeah. Love, love, love. I'm just gonna make it fuller a little more right here. I don't like it fully dried either. I like it a little tiny bit damp. I like the top fully dried and the bottom somewhat dried and then a little scrunch. And there's sometimes I'll dry the whole thing and then I'll just re-wet it a tiny bit just to make it a little more playful. Or if I have to put a little more curls in this one, I'll do a smaller brush. Just have fun. Just have fun. And then scrunch it. Yeah. So cute. I found my new blonde. Jessica, she did the great pattern that I wanted. Then put a little bit of hairspray. Okay, my favorite hairspray. Medium. My hair guy. Woohoo! It's because I didn't perm it. Feels good that it's your turn. It's my turn. I do everybody else. I love when I get my hair highlighted because it just makes me feel so good. I like to be a nice bright blonde. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun with my hair. Good. All right. There you go. Have a great day.